Y'all ready for this?
Yeah.
Howdy, friends.
How you doing?
Oh, that's wonderful. Thanks for sharing.
So glad to hear it. You know, it's been so long since we last talked.
It's true. What have we been doing?
I don't know. Certainly not learned about theology or fishing or anything like that.
We've moved on to greater things.
Yeah.
I think I think it's too hard to drink right now.
Let's see. Oh.
It's very difficult. Well,
that didn't work so well.
I
lost my teeth in that one. Anyway. Oh. Hard to do that too.
You sound like you need some oil.
Canola oil. Canola.
I farted if it stays.
I'm so glad to know. So we're not going to try that one again. That was unsuccessful. All my hot chocolate's in the trash. My teeth.
Well, at least it'll keep our hands warm. It's a blizzard outside.
It sure is. It's like 4-foot drifts in like 30 miles an hour winds.
3? I thought it was
30.
30. Oh, 30.
I said 30. At least I think I didn't put that. That's good.
We had an accident.
Is that your saliva?
Says the one who spit out her hot chocolate in the trash.
It kind of just drained out of the back of my throat. I couldn't actually swallow it, or I was going to choke. So I let it, come out.
Very nicely.
And it came.
Oh, it sure did.
Oh, we don't need that paper that's in there.
What paper?
I don't know. It's got hot chocolate on it now.
Well, if it's in the trash, we probably don't need it.
Well, let's hope we don't change our minds.
We probably might.
We do that quite often.
It's true.
So, that's all, folks. Oh my. Okay, well, it's been a pleasure, but I'm gonna drink my hot chocolate now, and I know y'all don't want to see that again, so we'll catch you next time.
Yes. Precisely.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye-bye now.
Goodbye.
See you later.
Goodbye.
Bye, Nara. Peace out.
Farewell.
Adios. I think I already said that.
I think I said
Bye.